Hey guys, and welcome to this Mometrix video lesson on the difference between a percent increase and a percent of a whole number. The percent of a whole number means a part of a number. To determine the percent of a number, simply multiply the whole number by the percent. When you've reached an answer, move your decimal point 2 places to the left. It's important to note you will not label your final number as a percent. Here's what the formula looks like written out. Let P stand for part of and let N represent a given number. So then you have P equals N times the percentage. Now, let's try a couple of examples. What is 40% of 30? To answer this question, let's follow our formula. P equals 30 times 40. P equals 1,200. Now that we have our number, what should we do next? That's right, we need to add our decimal point. Our final answer is P equals 12. 40% of 30 is 12. What is 60% of 55? P equals 55 times 60. Then we get P equals 3,300. Add the decimal point, so P equals 33. And then our final answer is 60% of 55 is 33. That's just finding the regular percent of a number. Now we need to look at finding the percent increase of a number. The percent increase of a number is just what it sounds like. It's finding the percentage by which a number has increased to another number. To find the percent increase of a number, you need to subtract the original number from your new number. Divide that answer by the original number and then multiply the final answer by 100. You will label your final answer as a percent. Let's look at the formula written out. That might be a little easier to understand. Let I stand for increase, N for new number, and O for original number. So then you have I equals N minus O all over O, all times 100%. Working through a couple of examples might help you understand. What is the percent increase of 78 to 110? First, let's identify our different parts for our equation. Our original number O is 78. The new number N is 110. So then we have I equals 110 minus 78 all over 78 times 100%. Then when we subtract 110 and 78, we then are left with I equals 32 over 78 all times 100%. Then when we divide 78 by 32, we get I equals 0.410 times 100%. And we are left with I equals 41%. The percent increase from 78 to 110 is a 41% increase. What is the percent increase of 17 to 72? The original number, O, is 17. The new number, N, is 72. So then we have I is equal to 72 minus 17 all over 17 times 100%. Then when we subtract 72 and 17, we're left with I is equal to 55 over 17 times 100%. Then, when we divide 17 into 55, we get I is equal to 3.23 times 100%. And then we're left with I is equal to 323%. The percent increase from 17 to 72 is 323%. Thank you for joining us on learning the differences between percent increase and percent of a whole number. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more help with your math problems. Happy studying!